How to stop email notifications from Indeed app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can stop the email notifications from Indeed. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to indeed.com. Once you're here, tap on the sign in option. Then you want to enter your credentials in order to sign into your account. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to tap on your email address over here. That is going to bring you to the settings. Now tap on the communication settings over here. Then you want to tap on email. Here you want to scroll all the way down, and here you have the option of want to get fewer emails from us. You want to tap on the unsubscribe from all commercial emails option. Once you do that, you will be successfully unsubscribed from all of the commercial emails, and now you will not receive email notifications from Indeed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.